fat and oil analysis. Solvent extraction method. Principal fat is extracted by treating the sample with an organic solvent. The solvent is allowed to vaporize and then condense in form of droplets. When these droplets fall on the sample, fat present in it gets dissolved in the solvent. The solvent is allowed to repeat the process siphon for 5 to 6 times, and fat content is measured by loss in weight of sample. Apparatus extraction apparatus: filter paper, forced draft oven, measuring cylinder, weighing balance. Procedure: take a filter paper and weight 5 to 10 grams of sample in it. Enclose this filter paper in second filter paper to avoid leakage of material. Put sample wrapped in filter paper in extraction tube. To distribute the solvent equally on sample, a piece of absorbent cotton may be placed in top of thimble. Take extraction flask and pour approximately 225 milliliters of organic solvent, hexane, petroleum ether, etc. in it. Heat it on an electric hot plate or in a water bath to attain a rate of falling solvent drop from condenser on center of thimble of at least 150 drops minimum. Keep solvent volume constant by adding more and continue extraction for 4 hours. Cool the apparatus and detach the extraction. Evaporate ether in a water bath or on a steam and gentle steam of clean dry air or nitrogen may be used to facilitate solvent removal. Then dry the sample in an oven for 2 to 3 hours. Weight it and determine percent fat content using the formula as crude fat percent equals weight of sample after extraction, weight of sample before extraction, weight of sample times 100. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.